Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. It comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and automatic transmission. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,